HyunA has a special affection for the NewJeans members because they reminded her of her old self. The fashion magazine Cosmopolitan released a pictorial with HyunA on February 23. In the interview that followed, HyunA remarked, when asked if she had something she wanted to say to her past 15-year-old HyunA responded, She then continued and mentioned NewJeans, whom she's currently into. To conclude, HyunA left heartwarming advice for NewJeans.